Well, hey folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC, and this is the Kavan Bristell B-23. Let's take her out the field and have some fun with her. I gotta set her down. Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, let's take up the Kavan B-23 Bristell, have some fun. Sent to me by FPV Builds up in West Babylon. Hey Anthony and Jackie, how y'all doing?
Motors armed.
Timer set for 6 minutes. High rates. Let's go for it.
Landing flaps.
The wind has absolutely died, so we will be using our flaps. All right, take off flaps. Timer set for 6 minutes. Let's go.
Flaps up.
We're going to take it straight up now. What a smooth flying aircraft.
Manual mode. Safe mode. AS3X mode.
All right.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Time remaining 5 minutes.
How beautiful that thing is. Cruise along so pretty.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Coming right at us. Pick it up.
Time
Snap roll.
4 minutes.
The pilot just, well, pretty well, let's just say he needs new underwear now. Because even he wasn't expecting that.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
I never touched.
Time remaining 3. Landing flaps.
All right, we're going to have to go home though. Hold on.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
It's definitely one of them flies biting you.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause look.
I can't look right now.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. Yeah, we have to go. These bugs are getting really bad right now.
Prop secured.
All right. Still had 2.5 minutes on a 6-minute timer, but these bugs are starting to get bad. And in Florida, they'll pick you up and carry you off. But they start biting me and camera precious. It's time to go. All right. Still got 57%, but that's okay. We'll go over the rates and everything back. I'll be doing one radio rates and CG video after report, and I'll apply it to whatever flights I do today, and because it's the same rates and everything, so no sense repeating it. But there you go, folks. That is the Kavan Bristell B-23. The Bristol is the name of the company that makes the plane, the actual scale plane. Kavan is the company that makes the model aircraft, and the one who sold it to me, or actually we worked out a good deal, was FPV Builds RC up in West Babylon, New York. Anthony. Folks, that's a great flying plane. I highly recommend it. There'll be a link for the purchase of the plane in the description of the video. God bless y'all. Don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and Bristell B-23s. Bye, y'all. Well, hey, folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC, and we just flew the Kavan Bristell B-23 out the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Let's go over the rates and everything about the plane. Right off the bat, we'll talk about CG. CG is 75 to 85 millimeters back from the leading edge of the wing, which puts it right there, 75 to 85. All right. Go ahead and put my fingers right dead middle to show you. And CG's basically pretty much perfect right there. She's got a 1600 millimeter wingspan, or 1.6 meters. To show you the battery placement to get that CG, with a 3300 4S, basically almost all the way up against the front, where it's almost touching the tiller arm for the nose steering, is where you'll get that CG. Now, if you had a 4000, you maybe move it back a 1/4 of an inch or a 1/2 an inch further back, but you'll have your CG, so just check it. I'm running a AR631 upgraded AS3X Plus, and it has a 50 amp Kavan brand speed controller in there. Let's go over our rates real quick. Normally I can fly this plane at 6 minutes and come back. I would have told you in the video, or the videos, what I had, but let's you can maybe probably get a good 6.5 minutes out of flying this thing. All right, let me get stuff moved around here just a little bit. All right, to show you the rates that I flew in today were my high rates. Aileron, 100%, 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. Let me move it just a little bit further forward. Okay. That's what the elevator looks like. And rudder, 100% with 30% expo also. Now my flap settings There is no mix needed. Flaps up are -%. Okay. Takeoff flaps,
Takeoff
50%. Landing flaps,
flaps. Landing flaps.
100%.
Flaps up.
Very simple. Now, my AS3X settings. Let me set her down. Okay. Gains are at 1 time. And on roll, pitch, and yaw, 40, 50, and 60. Priority, all at 140 on roll, pitch, and yaw. Didn't do anything with heading. Stop lock, 35, 35, 35 on roll, pitch, and yaw. And release rate, 55, 55, 75 on roll, pitch, and yaw. I have not set up the nose wheel gyro as of yet. I have an open channel. I could, but I just haven't done it. And let's see, what else we got? Oh, some features of the plane. It has a lot of plastic. Like if you look on that tail, the end of the elevator there, you can see that's all clad in plastic on the edges, which is wear points. That's actually metal. These antennas here, that's metal. This is plastic, but it's very, very bendable. The biggest decal on this thing, or one of the biggest details of this thing, is inside of this hatch. But look inside there. Look at all the instrumentation inside this hatch. I mean, that is really, really good looking. Now this hatch just connects with these hard points here, these clips that just go in. So you need to make sure that you have a good, strong, hear that click in, because I have had the hatch come off before. The thing, and it's got lights, she's got flaps, she's got fixed gear, but very similar to the SR22T from E-flite. The plane is very, very stable. It's a good flying plane. It comes in very well. It's great for it's an absolute touch and go machine. It does mild aerobatics, and it's just a good looking plane. Lights, flaps, just a good flying plane. If you want this plane, you'll need to use my link, which goes to FPV Builds up in West Babylon, New York. FPV Builds RC. Anthony and Jackie run that shop, and they're the only United States distributor for the Kavan model product. Now this is actually a Bristell B-23, and you can actually find this airplane in the real life at the Bristol Aircraft, which I think is a Czech Republic. I think, don't quote me on that, aircraft. But you can find this one in its livery. Great flying plane, great scale plane. I have nothing bad to say about it. I really enjoy it. I enjoy flying it. A good quality flying plane. It's easy to see. They also sell this in a yellow and white, but I personally like the blue myself. But all right, well, there you go. That is my review of the Bristell B-23. God bless y'all. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Kavan RC planes from FPV Builds and RC. Bye-bye.